How to get collection pass in the Bingo Blitz game. In this game, the collection pass is a valuable feature that allows you to select any missing collection item or puzzle piece, including untradeable or hard-to-get items to complete a room or puzzle. This can be especially helpful when you're missing just one item to finish a collection and claim its rewards. Now here is how you can obtain a collection pass. Participate in limited time events. Some events offer collection passes as rewards. For instance, during the Halloween tournament, players had the chance to win collection passes by completing event-specific challenges. Next is complete featured rooms. Engaging in special or seasonal rooms may grant you collection passes upon completion. These rooms often have unique themes and offer exclusive rewards. Next is utilize the cannon feature. The cannon can be used to target specific collection items. While it primarily offers other rewards, there is a chance to obtain collection passes through this feature. And the final thing you can do is check the in-game store. Occasionally, collection passes might be available for purchase using in-game currency or real money. Keep an eye on the store for such offers. By effectively utilizing collection passes, you can enhance your Bingo Blitz experience, complete collections more effectively, and enjoy the associated rewards. And that's it. This is how you can get the collection pass in the Bingo Blitz. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.